Cheryl make this possible.
The guy thought right now, no one tell you how
Yeah,
exactly you're fake and how you is a hypocrite cause you're a pussy. And what am I going to do with that information there, sir? You lick out your mama.
Don't jump, use it for a second.
Because start read out the comment number and just block them now. Just block them down because them go ever comment over your life.
Jumpstart.
My moderator, them black them
Can you get something that would please jumpstart? Thank you so
That one
much.
share
can
you
use the
set
double check.
up 8 bars.
Yeah man, one sure.
Start with that number 3 team. We can use the double 40k to number 2 chat.
What's on the Jake? Cheryl,
Yeah.
Cheryl, well, I want a woman like Cheryl. You know why? Cheryl do the right thing.
What you call it, right?
Thank you, mommy. Amila, mommy. Thank you.
Cheryl now sponge by your money
Two
alone.
man team, not so right.
You say what?
Cheryl now sponge by your money and your hype. Cheryl could have been cut.
So where I try to Jaden?
Cheryl stand there with the dog.
So where I try to?
You see it? What do you mean me a try say? You know you hear me a try say?
Yeah, I ask you what exactly I asked my sister.
Me I say big up Cheryl. That me I say.
Big up, sure.
Yeah.
Sister, I'm if you tell you.
Everybody with flowers chat. But you would want a woman like your friend.
Like figure it out, of course.
Amila, thank you. Guys, we can get somebody triple face pinky. Amila,
You know
thank you.
every top run them bottom man joke that mind. You know more what you make people and think we are fish for through my youth.
Probably.
What?
Yeah dog. Cause when me I tell the people them say a joke where I make here Jaden. So all them know say a joke where I make and
Hey, fish been a call Papa your name long time before me now. You fuck
Some
yourself.
swan
you
chat.
can't you up more.
Bumba,
Women, you can't be in allegation.
Natasha,
thank you, thank you.
Figure you can't be in allegation. Not even figure fish a call for me before me even come on TikTok.
But when you're far away,
Thank you so much, darling, for
when
the money.
the
Girl.
boyfriend
Thank you.
up lock up.
Figure fish a call for my name from me on Instagram.
I
You can't run for it, bro. You can't run for
For
it.
your far away, when you the boyfriend. When
But
name
figure,
again,
I'm tell
man.
you something, figure. I'm tell you something, figure. You see?
Chat.
Thank
When
you.
name, when boyfriend beat him up with you, yeah. When name, when
Where are
send
the
him a Panama.
Jokes are a mix up boy and that time my own.
boyfriend. So my boyfriend know Jalen from lock up this, you know.
Yeah, I true.
The two of them are friend.
I true, figure.
I
Yes,
say
yeah,
you don't need help.
Figure. Find you know yourself, say you no fuck body, bro. You're good, dog. You
Bro.
ain't even prove nothing to nobody, brother.
Yeah, I go send them.
That's
Type,
Plastic,
type.
thank you. May I pronounce it incorrect? I'm sorry. Thank you so much
Yeah,
for
yeah, say that,
the future encounter.
The Jakes, oh yes,
Ooh,
invest.
that's
Oh yes, invest.
Mia. Thank you. Pinky Poo, Julian.
The Jakes, oh yes,
Thank you,
invest in
Boy
that
again.
thing there.
Taskia, thank you.
No,
Senior,
you're
buddy,
not
thank you guys so
investing,
much.
for
Mr.
you.
President, thank you.
Before you me and Jalen a pay gym. You know? Make him know say enough to do that, if we do that.
You not put that for true, Jake. Jake, you not put that for
See.
true, Jake. You not put that. Me coulda
I saw like say one bad boy and lock up team, no?
Jake,
But Jalen never knows him a feel up, man.
Never know, Jake. Never know. He
Thank
burn
you.
me.
Cause treat rough.
Yeah.
Bad boy. The man too priest say yo. Why look boy around there, so he might touch look boy around there, so nobody don't know. And when them done, them come circle back Jalen like say everybody good at it, you know? Him not gonna try with Jalen, him try look boy around there, so.
And Jakes, may I tell you, say, me help you boy before you go Panama. He come like I help me man if you go fuck batty to blood.
Hey, one granny.
Straight from my life. He come like I help me man if you go fuck batty to Panama, brawling.
What?
Me figure me mom.
Focus for the match, sir.
Good
Focus for
man,
the
good
match.
man.
Figure me mom be that tell you, say, so come go help him.
Thank you.
Focus for the match.
Me say about Jamasa see. Jamasa rascal. Look how you boy me go help go turn batty boy.
What
Thank you,
Jakes,
Pooh,
sweet
thank
him.
you.
What you say? What do you help me go to a batty one?
Come on, adapt me,
Batty one like that.
He come back adapt me down to blood clot. The man get 80,000 and go booking ticket. Right now, Panama, Ingo.
Thank you, boo. Thank you again, darling.
Right in a Panama, Ingo, Jakes. Me I tell you. Right in a Panama.
Princess, thank you. Practical, thank you.
Well, I'm telling my them thanks, yeah.
That's me. I
Queen
think.
Tasha.
Yo, oh, don't you have more
Thank
sport?
you.
Oh, don't you have more? Anybody will go over there from my side, I go black one.
Nick, DJ Champagne, Mitzi.
Team.
Thank you,
But
guys.
no, they can reach number 2 chat.
Danny,
Everybody who send me gift, thank you guys so much.
Danny, you have to go bleach out and cut me here and have one big beard and a big fat car in my house. So you can like me just like you like Akeem, you know?
Double me team.
Me don't
Chat,
care.
make it the 5 Galaxy there, please.
But no wrong with how you look. How you know wrong with how you look.
Let me say.
So you know what I mean?
But it's rated as a friend.
Friend zone.
Well, the friend zone in the bomba wall.
But thank you. Why Jaden move like that? Jaden doesn't me say me engine blow, so why am I move like that?
What do you mean by an engine blow, darling?
I don't think me say me engine blow to
Don't
me
you
at
have
2
face you
p.m.
do?
What that's supposed to mean, darling?
What that mean? He said me have 2 p.m. so me engine blow. So why my big man tell me say me engine blow?
Yeah, hot. Way back there. Yes. Yeah.
Well, me not care what you want to do. Me still rate you and something. That's all. Me rate you. Me go forever rate you. If you want to take me off of something, I don't know what to do. Say go.
TikTok kicking. When I end the match, I have no get somebody is supposed to do that. I understand. But TikTok kicking. You're arguing back, yes. I'm on 8% battery. I'm going to play against Damian.
Good night.
Damian said, I'm going to try out for my nuggets.
Much nuggets you have?
Does so.
I know all pan nuggets have to take, man. A little bit that.
Eh. So I regular you fly past does nuggets?
All 50.
Who you have play against?
Yeah, alright. Yeah, ma'am. Alright. Pretty. Thank you.
Big rank of them.
Yeah,
And I win 50 nuggets against big rankers.
the
6 I each side and
it's the perfume I work out good for me. That's how much as I stick to the perfume I work out for me, man. Really, I work out for me. My son's school fee for the term. I'm buying kickers. But I don't think we work about something so far. Yeah, I work out, man.
Chat, me I beg on a 5 Galaxy team. I 7 of them I want, you know. We got 200 on the board, chat. Oh God, man, my team.
Just come on and get a good push. Me appreciate
The
it.
team on shall be legendary. On shall be legendary, my team. Remember me telling you that.
Just come on, get a good push. I appreciate that. We man go 100k for the
Thank you.
Yeah. We're not gonna post the one time.
I know KFC, you give me a good dry biscuit and something, but me nah
We get 100k for the ranking, no mind. The 80k chat.
Thank you so much, eh? Appreciate it, man.
So nice.
That's one night I sister alone there, man. Chat. 6 different persons can beg your Galaxy, please.
Guys, you can get one money from please, man.
One night a bad sister alone I go on the ground, man. I beg 6 different persons on Galaxy, my team.
Media show. 1 media shot, chat. What's up, pin the gift them, you know? 7 media shower. 50 money gun, 15 swan. What a media shower snipe, bro. Need a media shower snipe. What's my life goal then?
All over the side I know. I can't feel nothing over the side. Doctor, inject it. I can't take it out. I'm feel it. As it connect to the nervous system.
Yeah, let's Miss Coward.
Alright, JX and figure it out. Big up yourself. I don't feel like me just stick to the cologne because just that's
No,
all.
man, you're good, man. From your start, from your day business ambition, same way, darling.
And you need to call me a little say about check something.
Go on their thing, mama.
Alright.
Bad, yes.
Alright.
But I'm in myself, brother. One last big match, John. One match, Maggie, man. Please, man, some help. One last big match. That's it for the night. That's the art medium. I show against them, man. Please, I look some help, please. One match. One. Kiki Lee. I'm saying that, right? Could be like looking.
To 24 hours, 94 hours with you. Spent the weekend getting even home. Spent the late nights making things right
Between us.
know it's all good, babe. Worked out good, babe. But let me close. Cause girls like you, but I'm got like this. And now when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you, the fun, yeah.
So come in, Chili.
Jakes. Boy, Jakes, you just hide me so from the day.
No, we're not hide, man.
You know, it's a funny day van pan that day or something there. You the hide me.
I'm not hide, I just...
You the take it serious or take it personal, Jakes?
What which day?
You know, remember when time we did a play the
Oh, we
game
never
on the
play, we
day?
never, oh. I'm gonna wait for the day.
Yes.
No, I'm not hide from that, but because I jump for spite, yes, because I can't manage the day now. I couldn't manage the day. I'm never able to smoke for play either. That's how I jump on top of it.
They wait for you to come back and play, and then when we look,
Not
me see
that
what
play,
I
no,
see.
sir. No, sir. Mad was like how people look for me, everybody want to hear now. That helps me.
Oh, you play match now?
Yeah. But there are 6. You can play about 3 or 4.
So you play. All right. So I could do a first to 3.
Yeah.
Power taps, guys.
All the people in the camera.
This is my friend Sassy. I wanna meet my teammates. Should they on my team?
Hello, Sassy.
Hi, Jakes.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
You see the match?
Yeah.
We will see it.
You know, I see it. Yeah, man. I see the score, them and everything.
Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Chat, you see the match? Oh. But we not see the score. So much media pan. Chat, first
You're the 74. You still not see it.
give double chat.
First gift double chat. First gift double. We had bombard, guys. 13 nuggets Jakes have. That's it. First gift double, guys. First gift double.
Chat, put it in the mail file. Put it in the
Yes,
chat.
Nikki. Guys, make us see if we can go for them nuggets there. Nikki, thank you, babes. Everybody power tap, share, repost the live, guys. Once in the enter the live chat, send on a heart me first thing.
224 hours.
Tap up the screen. Here.
So, you want to take the nuggets them jail?
That's the aim. Yeah, we're trying.
A best of that 3, right? Or first to 3.
First to 3. 3 say you can play 3.
Okay, so let's see we can get 3 chat.